Hey guys, Penny here from Monaco Nail Academy. The video you're about to watch is actually taken directly from one of our Salon Success courses, Marketing and Social Media. We share these lessons occasionally on our channel, but the Marketing and Social Media course has over 100 lessons on everything from branding and photography through to time management and budgeting, plus covers all major social media platforms and how to utilize them for your salon. So if you want to get the full immersive course experience, head over and check it out on our website. Links are below and payment plans are available. Along with the lessons, you get access to a private Facebook group with heaps of support, interactive challenges and implementation tasks to help you actually use what you learn, as well as lots of templates and downloads to make everything that wee bit easier. Before we move on, please hit like on this video and subscribe to our channel. And now, without further ado, here's the lesson. Alrighty, let's jump in. In this course, I'm going to teach you how to market your business at a beginner level. So, let's start at the beginning. What is marketing? Most people will equate it with advertising or promoting your brand, making sure people know who you are. But there's actually a bit more to it. Marketing is communication, and I can't stress enough how key it is that we understand it's a two-way communication. It's communication that ultimately leads to relationships, hopefully with the right people. We don't want just anyone to know who you are. We want the right people to know who you are. We need to work out where to find them, and once we do, we want three things to happen. We want them to know who you are, we want them to know how you can help them, and we want them to receive a call to action. Let's explore those pieces further.